Hi class, this is Professor Smith. I'll be going on and doing problem number 3 on the sample final. It says for each question, choose the statement that best describes its solution. Just say best and create that. If applicable, give the solution. So the first thing we want to do is to eliminate the parentheses and by distributing, like we did with the very first example. So let's go out to math type and see what that looks like when we distribute. So the original problem was 2 times the quantity x minus 1 plus 8 equal to 6 times 2x minus 4. And so when we distribute the 2 times x gave us 2x, and 2 times 1 gave us 2, plus 8. And then here when we distribute the 6 times 2x gave us 12x, and then 6 times 4 minus 24. And then we combining like terms, we took the negative 2 plus the 8 and got 6. And now that we have the variable on both sides, what I'm going to do is subtract the smaller one, which is 2x. So I subtract 2x from both sides. And when I subtract 2x from both sides, the 2x cancels, and that leaves us with 6 equal to 12 minus 2x equal to 24. And then that's 12x minus 2x is 10x. And then I'm going to add a 24 to both sides so that the 24 on the on the right, the minus 24, the subtracted 24 is canceled. And so I get 10x equals 30. And then dividing both sides by 3, I get the following. Well, of course, not by 3, divide both sides by 10, I get x equal to 3. So let's go ahead and put that answer in on Alice. All right, now for the second part of the equation. So we have the the equation 4 times the quantity y plus 1 minus y equals 3 times the equation, 3 times the product of, I cannot talk, equal to 3 times the quantity y minus 1 plus 3. So again, now that I have it in math type, let's go ahead and distribute the 4, and on 3 as well on the other side. So when I distribute the 4, I'll get 4y plus 4 minus y equal to 3y minus 3 plus 3. Combining like terms, we get 4y minus y, gives us 3y plus 4. And then the negative 3 and the positive 3 cancels on the other side, which just leaves us with 3y. Subtracting a 3y from both sides, we get 4 equals 0. Ooh, that could be an issue. 4 is not equal to 0. So it turns out whenever you get a false statement, then we know that our answer is no solution. So no matter what value you substitute in for y, you'll never get a true statement. Now let's say that we subtracted 3y from both sides and we got the following. And we got 7 equals 7. So if we got the statement that 7 equals 7, then our conclusion would be different. Instead of saying no solution, then our answer would be infinitely many solutions. And on Alex, they worded as all real numbers are solutions. So every real number would work. So if you get a true statement, it's all real numbers are solutions. If you get a false statement, you get no solution. And if you get one where the variable does not disappear, i.e. x equal to 3, then you know that you just select the middle one and then select the value for which x equals. All right, I hope that helps.